Well, welcome back. A brush fire in San Diego County is moving closer to Camp Pendleton tonight. The fire has scorched 400 acres and is also threatening some homes and an animal shelter. More than 350 military personnel and civilian firefighters are battling this fire from the air and on the ground. It's not clear how much of the fire is contained.
Time to go to the Pinpoint Weather Center. Alissa standing by with your forecast.
And we start out a little bit cool this morning, and we made up to 96, actually 97, and now we are at 96 here at the top of the hour. Looking at 96 here in Owasco, 93 in Delano, 82 as we make our way into the mountains of Frazier Park, 94 over in Arvin, 81 in Tehachapi, and we are into the mid-80s in Lake Isabella. So I hope you've enjoyed the weather because temperatures have been fairly seasonal, and you can definitely feel the difference from those triple digits to the 90s, can't you? Especially into the morning and evening hours, not quite as unbearable. Meanwhile, our humidity is at 17%, so that's pretty low, folks. And as you've seen here the past hour and a half, a lot of wildfires around the state, so we are still watching out for the threat of wildfires, especially as we head into this upcoming 4th of July holiday weekend. Dew points at 44, and that's pretty low as well. Temperatures here regionally continue to be about average. Watching as we are at 95 in Fresno now, 61 in San Francisco, 91 over in Reno. Los Angeles coming in then at 68 degrees, down into San Diego 66, and a whopping 105 over in Las Vegas. So still pretty steamy as we head into the south and west. Taking a look outside the weather cam tonight, Breckenridge to Kernville, and look at that. That's not just haze, that's a smoky haze from a fire up in the Sequoias. So watching as the Schaefer fire is blowing all of that smoke now down south here into the Kern River Valley area. So if you are smelling smoke up there near Kernville, Weldon, that is where it is coming from. And if you want to take some pictures and send them to me, please do. Snapshots at kerngoldenempire.com. We'll share them with our viewers. Meanwhile, along the coastline, still watching for high seas and surf, small craft advisories, and high threat of rip currents. If you are planning on making it your way to the beaches tomorrow, looking out for that. And as we are ending the month here, hopefully that June gloom will be out of there, right? As we head along the coastline, starting to see some drier air working on in here into Northern California. That's that strip right here of yellow. So into the mid-levels of the atmosphere with the water vapor imagery, we can see that here. So we're continuing to watch for a very dry air mass in place right over Kern County and then down into the Southland as well. And the ridge will continue to build, and that will allow, again, for things to be drying out as we head in the next several days. So we'll be looking for a warm-up as we head up and down along the west coast. Shower activity to be found here, though, as we head into the Plain States, quite a bit of that, and even trying to change over to some wintry precipitation there into Wyoming tonight. So as for us, we're going to continue to be pretty quiet. We're just going to watch for a warm-up as we head into the next several days. Not a whole lot going on into this holiday weekend. If you have plans to travel, you should be fine. We'll just be watching for the heat, and the question will be, where are we going to see it? Well, as we head into the weekend, everyone kind of heating on up as that ridge builds along the west coast. And then as we head into next week, we'll see a little bit of a moderation as we head into Tuesday and Wednesday. We'll start to cool down just a tad. Overnight lows tonight then will be into the 60s, mid-60s to upper 60s here once again in the valley. And then tomorrow, upper 90s. So we're going to inch on up, 98 in Taft, 99 in Bakersfield, 99 in Porterville. Into the mountains tonight, 40s and 50s, 85 in Pine Mountain Club tomorrow, 89 in Frazier Park, 84 in Bear Valley, 87 into Tehachapi, and then a whopping 107 out in Ridgecrest with a light breeze. 17-day planner calls for the 4th of July to see temperatures in the mid-90s, and we'll stay in that range as we head into next week. That mini heat wave I'm talking about begins tomorrow at 99 degrees, and then triple digits through the weekend. Air quality, meanwhile, a little bit better, 97, back into the moderate category for our Friday. And as we head into the weekend, there are 2 triple-digit days into Monday, close to that at 99, and then back into the mid-90s after that. Overnight lows will be into the lower 70s. As we head into the mountains, upper 80s the next couple of days, and then back into the lower 80s just in time for the 4th. Overnight lows will be into the 50s. And maybe you're heading up to the Kern River Valley for camping or all kinds of 4th of July activities, mid-90s, not too bad. And then we'll be in the lower 90s as we head into Monday and Tuesday.
Stay out of the river.
Lows in the mid-60s.
Yes, definitely.
Yes, the algae in the lake, not good either.
That's
Right.
true.
Keep that in
There's
mind,
a lot
too.
of reasons to stay out.
Yep.
All right, thanks.
Okay.